Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Bull Savanna, St. Elizabeth. We have here a beautifully designed, unfinished house with breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. It is move-in ready as the main floor is completed. It is tastefully constructed to be 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and this house gives the prospective owner the final decision for the finishing structure. The land area of this house is approximately 10,593 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.